Hello, folks and professionals. Let's welcome back. So, today we're going to see how to merge cells in Excel. Okay. So, if you really want to learn more Excel series, so please subscribe my channel, Write Your Skills, and let's play with the data. How to merge the text and what exactly the merging the cells. So, let me tell you an explanation. Okay. Previously, we have seen the wrap text. Okay. So, this is the button where exactly useful for your merge either center, merge across. Okay, simply merge cells, unmerge cells. Let's try to understand what exactly it is. I'll try like this. Okay, so Yuvraj Singh is left-handed, greatest of all time in India. So I'm just writing a text. Okay. He is Indian Ryan Lara. Let's put it, whatever the spelling is there. So if it is wrap text, you are trying to adjust the text like this. Okay. So you would like to match this one into all these cells. Okay. So if you take this cell, the text is not available. If you see this one, right? So just try to till here, merge and center. If you click this, so all cells, if you see this, all cells will be merged. Let me try to highlight this so you can able to see this. It is got merged actually. Okay. And if you wanted to play with the text, you can able to play like this. Okay. This is how merge and center. So let's try to check other options. Okay. So this is merge across. Okay, it's with this text, it's almost the same. So this is for merging cells. For example, if I put it all these cells, I would like to merge it. Okay, let's go and try to match. Okay, if you don't want to do unmatch, select the text and it will be selected like this. Okay, so if you see this, so it is across. So you can able to see this single cell you cannot able to find merge across. Okay. Let me try to highlight this with this border so that you'll come to know. Okay. What exactly it is. You can able to see this merge across. Okay. Like row wise, if you would like to merge, you can able to use this. So let's see one practical example. Okay. So let's try to check. Maybe. Okay. Let me try to add here one more row. Okay, I already told you. Like you would like to put the heading like this. Okay, employee employee basic details of employee basic details. Let's keep it this. Let's try to make it this one. I would like to make it this here. Okay, this is the part, right? So I would like to merge here. I would like to make it center. It will come center like this. Okay. So maybe I can able to do like this also. Okay. I can able to select till here. So I can merge like this. Suppose especially for headings, it is useful. So I can change the color of the text heading like this and probably like it will be better in height. Okay. Control B. Okay. So, and if I wanted to make it italic also, I can able to do that. This is how for headings especially. Okay. Suppose you have created the table with the details below like this. Okay. Let's take an example. So this is your table. Till the table, you can able to merge it. Now you can able to see this on the top. All cells got merged and your text will be on the center. So in the similar way, so we have taken this. This is the example last few days, right? Let's try to check. So let me check any other example. EMP shift details. Okay. Okay. Let's try to add. Okay. This is the perfect example. You can able to see this. I would like to write it. Okay. So school attendance details on I level. Okay, let's keep this. Let's assume that this I would like to merge and center. Okay, just simply click maybe like just merge. Okay, it is just merge, but text is not centered, right? So if you would like to merge and center means it will be merge and centered. Okay, so you can, if you want, you can able to change the text details like this. Okay, this is how you can able to play with the, especially for headings, it is specifically useful merge and center, or else certain places you would like to merge certain things. For example, I would like to show you something here. Okay, this is the table you have. Let me try to go to the data and let's filter this. Okay, don't put the filter there. Let's put the filter here. Okay, let's put the filter. So here I would like to, suppose if it is come here, okay. So this is one place. So there is no point to maintain like this. If you would like to merge it, you can able to merge like this. Okay, no problem. So everywhere A will come. This is what we have seen, right? So maybe you can able to make it center and you can increase the size. So like that, you can able to play different way of, presenting the things. If you'd like to do it, all these clauses belongs to A section, then you can able to highlight like this. And in the similar way, if you would like to make it, if everything is yes, you can able to do it. For example, I'm just showing you. Okay, it is asking. So, but it is taking the text only. Okay, single text only. So, but if you have a different text, it is not advisable to do that. If I do merging here, what it will happen? So you can able to see this only taking the first cell text actually. Okay, this is how you can able to play with the system, merge and center, or else merge across. If you have different rows, merge across, row wise, and this is merge cells and this is unmerged cells. So if I select this, let's do the unmerge. Okay. Okay, this is one thing. And this also, if you want to do it, you can able to do like this. Okay. So, okay, this is how you have to play with merge and center. If you really like this video, please like it. So we are slowly going. So basics are very, very important. After some time, you will get more new things to get learned for you and me also. Thanks so much. Wishing all the best. Have a great day.